I won't let grumpy mornings bring you down. I mean, me down. No, you. I know just the thing. Wake Up, the new automatic coffee brewer from Coffee Day. It's just what you need. I mean, I need. What we need. To start off, turn the switch on. Wait for the lights to stop blinking. Detach the water canister and fill to the level marked max. Not with milk, not with hot water, just plain drinking water. Now, you'll need the Wake Up coffee capsule exclusively for use with the Wake Up coffee brewer. Not here, and certainly not here. Simply open the capsule window, place it in the slot, and push down firmly. If you're using an espresso cup, flip the tray over like this. Place your cup over the tray, choose your quantity, and press the brewing button. Wait patiently as the brewer fills your cup with hot and aromatic espresso. Pick up the cup and take a sip. Oh, but let's say you're a cappuccino drinker like her. I mean, me. You'll need this. The Wake Up milk frother. Pour enough milk for 1 or 2 cups. Choose the hot or cold frothing button. While waiting, pour your espresso into the cappuccino mug. Once done, pour the creamy frothed milk into the cappuccino mug. And you're done!